Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to get contacts via Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So we are going to fetch all the contacts that we have. So here you can see that we have a contacts. Okay, so we are going to fetch all these contacts via API. Okay, let's have a look. So this is the function for the fetch contacts from the Zoho CRM. Very easy, very simple. Okay, so I'm going to add the code over here. No, so command this. Let's add the code. So here we have a get contacts, right? So small function, get access token for the in the headers we have to pass it, and CRM v2 contacts get API. It's there per page 10. Fetch only 10 records, right? So contacts fetched. Okay, let's save this and let's run it. So here we have the contacts. Here you can see that. So let me just scroll bit. Okay, so here we have the contacts fetched. So first one is that is James. Here you can see that that is James. Okay, second one is Anjali Verma. So let's take a look for this one. So this is Anjali. Right. So this is how you can fetch the all the contacts of the Zoho CRM via Node.js. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.